Good evening, my beauties, and how are you tonight? Guess what? It is finally, I feel like I've been waiting forever for this, time for Boxycharm. I love my Boxycharm. So, let's get started. Boxycharm seems to be, well, we had this one last time, this card. With, okay, the very first thing on top is very colorful, stands out. Vitamin C. And this is a mask, a vitamin C sheet mask. And if you know me, you know I love masks. So, Rael Beauty Brighten and Glow Facial Sheet Masks. There's 5 of them in here. 5. Vitamin C. You know, it's funny because I was just reading an article about, you know, the best way to get rid of under eye bags, way to keep skin healthy, and vitamin C was one of the things on that list. It was hyaluronic acid and retinol. So I, ever since then, have been looking for products with at least one of the 3 or all 3. So there you go, vitamin C. All right, so let's open our Boxycharm box. And, oh boy, another Too-Faced Hangover. Let's see. This is a primer. Too-Faced Hangover Primer. The last time I got a cleansing cream, which I absolutely adore. So I would not have minded if this had been a cleansing cream, but that's okay. It's a primer. I already have my makeup on, so I'm not going to use this, but I'm going to take it out. Replenish Face Primer. I like that. Let's see. Oh, it's got a little pump. We could put it on the hand and see what it looks like. Ooh, that really came out. Okay, so just a cream. Let's blend that in. Maybe it'll make my old hands look young again. A little bit of a scent, but not much. But that's nice. That's a nice primer. Let's see. Oh, another hangover. Boy, they like to give me hangovers. What are you trying to do? I don't even have to drink. Good to Go Moisturizer. Oh my goodness. I just bought skin protecting moisturizer with a SPF. Oh my, but this one's even better. Broad spectrum SPF. Look at that. Is awesome. Oh my goodness. This is going in my car because when I'm at the barn taking care of the horse and I'm outside, I can just, if I have to, I try to avoid as much sun exposure as I can because that is very skin damaging, but I do have to be outside. And plus, you know, the vitamin D is good in the sun. But definitely, oh, I'm excited. Are you excited? I'm excited. I like this. Good to Go SPF Moisturizer with coconut water, prebiotics and probiotics. Now that's got to be good. Good for our gut. They're good for our face. Spectrum SPF 25. Pretty nice, huh? You like? Love these products so far. Okay, what else do we have in here? Beauty Diva London. Diva, oh, more brushes. An eye brush set. Do I have that upside down? Oh, of course. I'm so backwards. Let's see what these babies look like. I love brushes. Oh, it's a whole set. They're orange. Halloween brushes. Diva eye brush set. Perfect your eyes with our cruelty-free brush set for every eyeshadow and eyeliner. There you go. Well, I like this. I don't have one of those, actually. So that's perfect. Never have too many brushes, right, ladies? brushes. Next, we have a little thing. Little bite me. Longwear lip stain. That's what it says. Bite. How'd they know that I'm into vampires and write vampire fiction? Okay. That is very red. Look at this. That is like blood red. Look at that. Ooh. Let's try it on my hand that I primed. Let's see. It's like fire engine red. Blood red. Those times when I want my lips to look bloody. I don't know. That color. Fizz. So I guess it's supposed to be more orange. It does have a little bit of an orange tint to it. What do you think? Red. I'm not. One more item in the box. Exfoliating Swipeys. Oh, 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 I like that. That'll be some magic swipey pad thingies. Is that not true? Absolutely. They have my sense of humor. I love BoxyCharm. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Got a whole bunch of them in there. Look at that. Just little Swipeys. You know, this brings me back. It really does. Because I remember when I was in my 20s in the 80s, I had something very similar to this. You know, they were just little pads, you know, that you would take off your makeup or, you know, just wipe whenever you needed them. And I have not seen anything similar since. Usually you get, you know, these big packages of makeup remover or, you know, that look like baby wipes. I'm going to see if this will take, this will take this off. Look at that. There you go. Now we got a red dirty sweepy. Always need things like that, right, ladies? And gentlemen, if you're there, we're all beautiful. Remember that. Hey, I'm no beauty, that's for sure, but boy, do I love makeup and skincare and trying to maintain some sort of a youthful glow. Genetics. So, yeah. So that's BoxyCharm for this month. And I have to say, I am extremely pleased. There is nothing in here I cannot use. Everything in here will be used. And will be, especially, oh, I can't wait to use these. I think I'm going to use these tonight, one of them. There's 5 in here. These feel hefty. Yeah, that's really cool. Vitamin C, Brighten and Glow Facial Sheet Masks. I like that. I really, really like that. Okay, beauties. That's my BoxyCharm for this month. I have some others that'll be coming up. I've got an Allure box, and I actually have something new. I have a Walmart subscription box. So that should be interesting because that will be my first. Actually, the Allure is my first too. So I've been trying new things and passing it on to you. So subscribe if you like what I'm giving you and showing you. I'm going to be having a giveaway soon. So keep watching the videos, press the bell notification so that you know when my videos come out, and I will keep you informed and let you know when I have the giveaway and what the rules and everything will be. In the meantime, remember, stay beautiful.